Hello, this is Tom Hua again. Welcome back. Okay, now we've got this initial web page designed, and now we are going to create some more pages so that you can link one to another and also learn how to link your website to some outside web pages. Okay, now once you are happy with your initial web page, of course, the first thing you want to do is to save before you lose your work. Now, I would say that the smartest way to generate a new page is to save what you already have. Let's say we are going to put together a sales page called sales.html. Just save as into a new name. Of course, you have different content in the body of the message. Let's just try to make it simple and delete what we already had before. And you have your sales message or buy now button, so on, which I'm going to show you how to put in later. So let's say this is your new sales page, and here you have such as order now, link, and so on. But first of all, we like to link it back to our home page. Now in this case, we are going to put a navigation bar at the top of the web page. Of course, you can have navigation bar just about any way you want, and sometimes people choose to have those links such as contact us and disclaimers towards the bottom of the web page, which is fine, but I would normally to put those important links at the top of the web page. Now, to be able to leave some reasonable space between your navigation bar to the top graphic, again you can insert a table of perhaps a couple of rows, and again set the border to 0 so that it's invisible, and this is the space, and here is where you are going to put your navigation links. Let's say home page. That's how we name this link, by typing the name of the link. So what you do is you highlight the name of the link, then you right click and you go to hyperlink. Now this is where you link your current wording to a different website address. You can have it as http www to any website on the internet, or have it linked to your other web pages. In this case, we want to link it back to the index page. So that's all you have to do. Double click on the index page and it's linked. And if you mouse over this link, you'll see the file name is appear at this corner here. Let's have a look again. When I mouse over, pay attention to this part here. Can you see that? Yeah, HTML, index.html, that is linked. And of course you want to perhaps print it up a little, change the font. Maybe we put it towards to the right hand of the page, because that's where normally people will have their links. Okay, now let's go back to the index page. You can simply go to recent files, index. Now you have two pages appear in your front page, and on the sales page you have a link to the home page. Obviously on the home page you need to set a link to the sales page. Again, the same thing, we put a couple of rows here to have the layout uniform, and link here you put sales, or normally actually we'll say order now, kind of call for action, and we change the font to whatever you set before, and again you right click, you go to hyperlink, and now we point to the sales page. Then you click on OK, or double click, it's the same thing, and again you put it to the right hand. Okay, now maybe you want even more pages. Let's say, okay, create another page called contact us. Save again, contact us. Just say contact. Try to avoid space or capital or any strange characters when you name your web pages. So this is the contact page. So ultimately, Now we have 3 pages. Let's say we only have 3 pages. Of course, you can have more. And one is called index, which is a home page. One is called sales, and the other is called contact. Obviously, you want to be able to link to other pages from any one of your pages. So what I suggest you to do is to have a navigation bar which will have all your pages linked one to another. In this case, we like to copy this link order now to where you have your home page. Of course, you can even use graphics, or in this case, simply can use some character that can be used to separate the link bars. Just delete, so place them into the same line, then you move across to the right, or then now obviously we need to add more, that is contact us. Okay, so that's all the 3 pages, and you have 3 pages all linked one to another using this navigation bar. Navigation bar is a name only, which means an area and a bar normally is shaped like a bar which has links. So we highlight that contact again, go to hyperlink, and we link it to the contact page. Okay, let's double check. Home page, look into this area here, because as soon as you mouse over that link, this file name will appear here where that link is linked to. Home page index, that is correct. Order now is sales.html, that is correct. Contact us is contact.html. So now this link is ready to be copied and pasted to other pages. Okay, this is the home page, we have it, and the sales page also. Okay, let's put that couple of rows of the table into the top part as well. Then we simply paste the link in. Okay, that's all you do. Home page. Okay, let's put something different here. Okay, let's home page saying welcome to, so we know which page we are looking at. Okay, that's the home page. Sales page, let's put order now and save. Perhaps you give them some discount so that encourage them to take action. So we come back to the order link a little later when they actually can place and put their credit card details in. Now that's the sales page, and we want to make perhaps this link a little larger with a different font, perhaps much bigger, so we know. Okay, so that's your sales page. Don't forget save. Even the home page we also save, and the contact. Okay, here say okay. Email us. Okay, this is how you put an email link. You highlight email us wording, then you right click, you go to hyperlink, and pay attention here. You see you have all sorts of different links. The first action we did was existing file or web page. Of course, you can choose have email address. Okay, email address, you just type in, say here in my case it's tom@esalute.com. That's all you need. And as an option, you also can have a subject line, which every time customer send you an email, the subject is already in, so that they don't have to modify anything, and also you know what this web email is about. So let's say this one is front page as the title. You click OK. Now this link is active. Okay, now we have 3 pages and they're all one linked to another. Now if you wanted to link to any other website outside of your own, then what you can do is you can say, okay, visit here, here, click here, I change to a different line, click here to visit our other websites. Okay, so what you can do is again highlight the wording of the link, the text, and go to hyperlink. Now this time is again a web page. So what you can do now is to link to it to an outside website. Let's say for example http www.tomhua.com. And now I want to tell you this one here, this part called targeted frame. Now targeted frame, you can have a few different options. Previously we didn't do anything about this part because they are default by going to the whole page, which means as soon as you click on that link, your current web page will be replaced by the new page. Now in some cases, such as this one, you like customer to view a new website in a new window. That's how you achieve it. That's called a target frame. Okay, click on OK. Now this link to outside website is in the place. So let's save it. Save all of them. Okay, let's go to File, and here you can preview in browser. Okay, now you can even choose a different size. Let's say use default, and you go to preview. Now Internet Explorer is launched, and you have your sales page displayed. Remember here we put order now and save. That's the order page, and you click on home page, and it goes back to welcome to, which is the home page. And you click on contact us, and come to the contact page. And if you click on email us, and your email client, in fact the visitor of your website's email client will launch, and so your customer or prospective customer can send you an email. And again, if you click on this link here, which will allow you to open a new window such as what you're seeing here, and launch a completely new website. In this case I put tomhua.com, which is my own website. Simple, isn't it? It's not hard at all. Now let's go back to front page, and this is what you do to link your own web pages together, and also link to outside website, and also have an email link put into your web page. So that's all for this section, and after the break I will teach you more, and I see you soon.